In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see your conversation history on ChatGPT. Yes, that's right. We're diving into the steps that will help you access previous conversations you've had effortlessly and efficiently. So let's get started. Firstly, what we need to do is open up our preferred web browser. And for many of us, that might just be Google. If you're not sure how to get there, simply type in the URL www.google.com. Or, for those of you who are well organized, just click on your bookmarked link for Google if you have it saved. Using bookmarks can really save you time, so don't underestimate their power. Now that you're on the Google homepage, the next step is to enter ChatGPT in the search bar. This is going to bring up a list of search results related to ChatGPT, along with other associated resources. What you're looking for is the official ChatGPT website link. As soon as you spot it in your search results, go ahead and give that link a click. This will direct you straight to the ChatGPT page. Once you've arrived at the ChatGPT website, the next thing to do is locate the sidebar. The sidebar is an essential part of the page layout, and it's where you can find a variety of navigational aids to guide you through the different services and features available on the site. So, take a moment to check it out. Once you've found the sidebar, go ahead and click on it to expand the available options. You might notice several options appear, and this can vary depending on how you've customized your screen layout or what device you're using. But don't let that intimidate you. It's all part of the experience. As you scroll through the sidebar, keep your eyes peeled for the chat history section. This is where the real magic happens. By scrolling down, often towards the bottom of the sidebar, you should soon see a list of your past interactions. Each of these interactions is typically marked with a date they occurred, and may even include brief snippets of the topics you discussed. This makes it incredibly simple to locate a specific conversation if you're looking to revisit something or recall some information you discussed earlier. Now you might be wondering why this feature is important. Well, it serves not just as a memory aid, but also as a powerful tool for anyone who might need to reference past exchanges. It's particularly useful for students, professionals, or anyone who has had extensive discussions and doesn't want to dig through their memories or written notes. And just like that, you're all set to view your ChatGPT conversation history. Remember, the more you practice navigating through these steps, the quicker and easier it will become for you in the future. Familiarity breeds efficiency, so don't hesitate to revisit this feature often. The ability to access your conversation history can really enhance your experience using ChatGPT and allow you to make the most out of your interactions. That's all for today on how you can see your conversation history on ChatGPT. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, consider subscribing to the channel and liking this video. Your support really makes a difference and helps us create more content that you'll love. Happy browsing and revisiting your chats. Enjoy exploring, and I'll catch you in the next video.